Annyeonghaseyo. I hope all of you are doing well. This video is to share just a brief information about the batch of our certificate course in Korean. So as you know that I launched this course in the month of September, and we started with two batches, and both the batches were full within 48 hours after launching. So many students could not enroll in time, and we just wanted to keep the batch size very small so that we can pay individual attention to all the students. So those students who couldn't enroll in the last batch, the first two batches, they were continuously messaging us, requesting to start a new batch soon. So I'm happy to inform you that we are going to start a new batch later this month. The exact date is not fixed, but it should be somewhere around 20th October. So 20th, 25th, depend, but in the last week of October, you can say. So registrations for the course, we haven't started yet. We haven't started accepting the fees. But you can register your name, pre-register your name. If you are interested in joining the course, you can just go to this page, the link I have given below in the description, and also in one comment I have added the link, so you can just click on the link. You will go to the page. You can read all the information. I will recommend you, I will advise you to just read everything on the page carefully. I have tried to explain everything in great detail, what the course is, what we are trying to do in the course, who is the target student, and who is this course not suitable for, duration, and all these things are already there on the page. But still, if you have any questions or query, you can just fill up the form that is there at the bottom of the page, and we will get back to you. Or you can also ask us in the comments, or you can write me a mail or something. So all the options are open, so you can just go there, read everything there, and then you can click on the pre-register button, and you can just enter your name and your WhatsApp number or email address, and that's it. So what will happen is I will just send you a message on WhatsApp or an email as soon as the registration is started, as soon as we start accepting the fees. So you won't miss the dates or anything, like if you missed the last time. Okay, so that was all the details. Just a few basic questions I would like to answer here in this video. First of all, the course will start from scratch, from the very basic, from alphabet. So I don't expect you to know any Korean, but if you know a little bit of Korean, if you can read Hangul, if you know phrases, or if you can make some basic sentences, that's fine. You can join the course. We will cover those things, all the basics, in maybe 2 classes, and then we will move on to more things. So yeah, if you think that you are just starting, or you are going to start from the scratch, then this course is right for you. Now many people ask, how is this course different from my YouTube lessons or website lessons? So you already know that I upload lessons for free here on this YouTube channel, and also on the website. So everything is already available for free. But sometimes that is not enough. Those lessons are good enough if you just want to know some very basic Korean, if you just want to be able to say some phrases in Korean, and just for fun or hobby you are learning that, then it is fine. You don't need to do any course or anything. But if you are really serious about Korea or Korean language, if you want to make a career in this field, or if you are someone who wants to come to Korea to work or study, or if you have any serious plans about Korea and Korean language, then for those people I would recommend this course, because this course is a very intensive course. It's not like I will teach you some very basic stuff. It's a very intensive. You'll have to work very, very hard. You will get assignments and homeworks, and you will have to give a few hours every week to and do the work related to that course. So it's a very intensive course, and we will focus on the communication skills, improving your communication skills. So we will have a lot of listening exercises, a lot of speaking practices and activities, a lot of writing and reading activities and assignments and everything. So it is an online course, but it is more intensive and more in-depth than the full-time courses run in universities or in institutions. So only serious learners who are really serious about studying Korean language and making a career in Korea, or yeah, those people should enroll in this course. Otherwise, if you just want to know the basics, you can just like go through our YouTube lessons. Those should be more than sufficient for you. So yeah, and one more thing about the medium of instruction. Medium of instruction, mainly we will have English, because if you get to study in Korea, or if you get to work in any Korean company or anything, all the work will be done in English. They won't use Hindi or Tamil or Bangla or these languages. But during the class, we will make sure that all the students understand everything. So it's my job to explain things and to make you understand. So it's not that if you're not understanding something in English, maybe your English is weak, then we will leave you out. That is not how we do it. So it's my job. I will use Hindi or any other language that is required to explain the things in the class. But yes, the main language of instruction will be English. But yeah, if let's say there are 15 students in the class and all of them tell me that we are more comfortable with Hindi, then definitely I will use more and more Hindi. So it's totally customizable. That is the good point about this course, that I will continuously monitor all the students. I will see where you are struggling, where you are good, and I will customize and I will adjust the lessons, curriculum, syllabus, and teaching style and everything accordingly. So nothing is like fixed that we will follow this way and this way only. We will totally adjust according to your needs. Okay. So I hope that I have answered the basic questions. If you have more questions, you can let me know. Thank you.